People who blush easily are more generous and trustworthy than those who don't. Psychological fact: you are easily attracted to someone you have no chance with. Falling in love at first sight is apparently true according to psychologists. It takes only 2 to 4 minutes to fall for someone or to make a good impression on someone. Kissing, chewing gum, eating chocolates, and eating bananas have all been proven to help people relax and boost their mood. Based on a psychological study, a crush only lasts for a maximum of 4 months. If it exceeds, you are already in love. Psychologically, a simple "I miss you" from the right person can absolutely change everything. Psychology says people who hide their feelings usually care the most. Psychology says people generally prefer an attractive face over an attractive body when they are looking for a long-term relationship. Waiting is a sign of true love and patience. Anyone can say "I love you," but not everyone can wait and prove it's true. When you cannot explain why you love them, you actually love them. Never express too much love, affection, or care to someone, because it's human tendency to underestimate anything that's free of cost. Sometimes people who are thousands of miles away can make you feel better than the ones right beside you. The sight of water has a very calming and soothing effect on people, which makes them experience happiness, calming thoughts, and be even more imaginative. Doing things that scare you will make you happier. Intelligent people tend to have less friends than the average person. The smarter the person is, the more selective they become. Listening to high-frequency music makes you feel calm, relaxed, and happy. Apologizing does not always mean that you are wrong and the other person is right. It just means that you value your relationship more than your ego. Most of the problems in your life are due to 2 reasons. You act without thinking or think without acting. If you see a group picture, you always look for your picture first to know how do you look in that. The people who give the best advice are usually the ones with the most problems. The smarter the person is, the faster he thinks, and the sloppier his handwriting is. If someone eats in an abnormal way, it means he is tense. If a person speaks less but speaks fast, he keeps secret. The less you say, the more your words will matter. Psychology says when your mood randomly goes from happy to sad, it's often an indication that you are missing someone. When a person appears in your dreams, that person wants to see you. When you hold the hand of your loved one, you feel pain less keenly and worry less. When you sleep hugging a pillow, it means you are thinking of someone you love and is laying beside you. Psychology fact: if you don't move for a whole 15 minutes, you will fall asleep. If you announce your goals to others, you are less likely to succeed.